Mainmark has been raising and re-levelling buildings for over 20 years, helping re-level tens of thousands of structures worldwide and hundreds in Christchurch. Mainmark has developed a range of level-correcting methods to suit a variety of site and structure needs, whether it's a large commercial structure, a residential home, or an historic building. Since the 7.1 earthquake in September 2010, Christchurch has experienced over 11,000 aftershocks, causing widespread damage. Thousands of damaged buildings were demolished. But for historic building owner John Shivers, demolishing his damaged building wasn't an option.
The whole building actually tilted into the northeast corner, so the whole thing had to be levelled and then brought back up. Without doing that, then the building had no future at all.
So he turned to Mainmark for help to stabilise the ground underneath the bank and re-level the building.
We had to get a system that we could work in this corner site, in the town, without too much disruption, so piling wasn't an option.
Mainmark's JOG computer-controlled grouting method is designed for re-levelling structures that have subsided due to seismic activity or other ground movement. With the JOG method, computers control the grout injection process across a large number of widespread injection points. Injection points are core drilled through the footings across the building. Injecting small amounts of grout at each point in a continuous predetermined sequence gradually and precisely re-levels the building.
It actually lifted quicker than I thought. Each day it had come a bit more. You really get a lot of confidence in the system because you can actually see it working.
Mainmark technicians monitor the progress of the lifting from data fed from monitoring devices into their control room computer and alter the injections accordingly.
With any problems that arose, they had the technical ability to counter those problems. When they got into a situation that looked as though something's not moving as quick as it should or it's leaving something behind, they just simply altered the program.
And in just 35 days, the 133-year-old building was re-levelled. One corner was raised 200 millimetres.
Well, I believe the building is more level now than it was when it was built. We never had one complaint. It wasn't noisy. All the equipment was on site. We never went outside the limitations of this section.
The JOG method is also successfully used on modern, large and heavy structures, like the Christchurch Art Gallery. The ground under the art gallery liquefied, causing significant subsidence. In some places across the 6,500 square metre building, the structure dropped by as much as 182 millimetres. Mainmark had to strengthen the foundation ground, then re-level the building. The JOG system can also be employed on buildings still in use, like the ANZ Building in Christchurch. While bank staff and customers conducted their business, Mainmark's team raised and re-levelled the building with minimal disruption to the bank and car park, raising and re-levelling the building by 156 millimetres in less than 2 months, and showing once again the skill of the Mainmark team of over 70 professionals.
The Mainmark operators really knew their job.
The JOG method is accurate within millimetres. It's completely controllable, providing quiet, uniform lift. Mainmark, leaders in advanced ground engineering and asset preservation technologies.